Right, the council are quite determined not to allow me to open this fireplace any more than this. I honestly don't understand what the problem is. I've told them that I just want to put like a box inside it, sealed in. They're still quite adamant that I can't do it. So I'm going to have to block that out. At the moment now, I've got another fire surround coming. So I'm going to get on with putting some flagstones down here to make a hearth. I'm just determining whether to just put 4 along or 5. I think, come on, my dad, sweetheart. I think 5 is going to be too wide at the edges. I think what I'll do is play around, get rid of that one, and just put the 4 in here slightly out. I'll put bigger gaps in. Yeah, so I'm going to do this. I don't know whether I've got, I think bringing them, I think that's going to be too far out. Not jut out too much, it's too big to have anymore coming out. I'll get those cemented in and have a look. So I've only got one, I don't know, I've got a long one which will come to there, and I think that will look odd or too. Anyway, I'll get these cemented in and we'll have a look. If I need any more, I'll just put that one to one side. I shall. I'll leave those to go off, and then I'll fill the gaps in, and then fill the front in, go around the edges around the front, fill that in. I need more sands and cement. I've run out. Clean them up, and I think they will look okay. Okay, there we have it. Those are all cemented in now. I don't know why there's a wet patch on that one. Hopefully it'll dry out. Once it's all completely dry, I'll go over and give them a really good brush up and get rid of any sand and cement marks on there. Can't do it now, too much water on it. So I've got to wait, I've got to be patient and wait. Okay, see you in the next one where I shall be putting the fire surround on. Okay, bye for now.